Hi, I'm Michelle Sue, a product marketer at Imgix. In this video, I'm excited to show you how our AI-powered object removal feature can help you clean up your images and make them look more professional. Let's start with an example in real estate. Imagine you're creating a new property listing, but there are distracting items such as personal belongings or mismatching furniture in some of the photos that you have. By using object removal, all you have to do is mark the objects that you want to erase and the tool does the rest. Now you're left with a polished photo that really lets the space shine. With this next example, let's say you're managing an e-commerce site. Clear product photos are key to capturing a shopper's attention, but it's not always easy to get the images that are perfect for your site. You can eliminate unwanted items such as stray packaging or even shadows in your photo to keep the main focus on what you're selling. By using object removal, you can make all your product images more engaging so that you can keep on converting those visitors into customers. Let's also take a look at how this feature can make user-generated content more usable for your brand. Using this type of content is a powerful way to connect with your audience because it shows others how your product is being used in real-life settings. However, it can be hard to control for elements in these types of photos that are either distracting or don't fit your brand's look and feel. This is where object removal comes in. You can clean up these images in just seconds to keep your content aligned with your branding while still maintaining that authentic touch in your content strategy. No matter the project, this feature lets you deliver professional visuals without having to spend hours in image editing software. If you'd like to learn more about our AI features, please reach out to your account manager or contact us at support@imagix.com. Thank you for watching and see you next time.